Within the properties that surround Margaret Pace Park in Edgewater, there are several condominiums all fighting for supremacy. And depending on who you ask, one such condo in particular is the uncontested winner. And that building is none other than Paramount Bay. Nestled on Bayshore Drive, just on the edge of Margaret Pace Park, Paramount Bay offers unparalleled views of Biscayne Bay, while incorporating some pretty luxurious elements that were way ahead of its time and still hold up even in today's ever-changing real estate landscape. As you walk into the unit, for example, you are greeted by floor-to-ceiling windows which encapsulate this corner unit, and it's kind of hard to believe that it's over 13 years old. It almost feels like the inauguration of this property was just yesterday, and that's really a testament to the design and the quality of the property itself. Major selling points like the expansive terrace that it offers are head and shoulders better than 90% of what is constructed, let alone what is available. Anyways, the point here is that Paramount Bay is the real deal, and you really can't go wrong choosing to live here. Today's tour of a $15,000 rental shows us the allure of what a stunning furnished 3-bed, 4-bath at one of the best options that you could come across in Edgewater offers you. But look, don't just take my word for it. See it for yourself right now. Well, not right now. First, like, subscribe, and click that notification bell, as that greatly supports the channel. My team and I put a lot of effort and time into crafting these videos, all to provide you all with valuable information. And all we ask in return is for you to subscribe and like the video. I appreciate you all for doing so. And with that said, let's get started.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care and God bless.